Hi guys, Pickbeard here. Tonight, my old adversary, a padlock. This one is a master padlock, which is re-keyable. I think it came from the same family as a American series padlock. It's locked up. It's a 4-pinner. There's the bitting on the key. Let's get it working. I have it in the vice really. It is gunky as anything. Somebody who I bought this off has decided to spray it with WD-40 by the look of it, and every time you open it, it sneezes WD-40 snot everywhere. Now it is locked up. Let's get it in the vice. I'm not going to SPP this one. I'm just going to get this video out of the way, get it raked open. Only thing with raking and American style locks is I like to go pin side with the lock, and when you do that with a rake, this one's a Southwold Max B, you can knock the pry bar or tension wrench flying. Let's try and do it that way so you can see what I'm doing. So just going to go in and hopefully not do that. Come on, PB. It's been a while, but there's no excuse. It's on the withdrawing motion. There we go. That's when it does its work. People can rock the rake in there. Anyway, I'm going to stick him to one side, let him blow his nose a bit more. I'll just show you it's still in working order. Lock back up again. If I can get the key in the damn thing. Oh, actually put it in the right way around, PB. There we go. Thanks for watching guys. Pickbeard out.